Hi, my name is Kemal. I'm in Fuzhou now. If you want to ask me about the taste of Fuzhou, I will tell you just one word: fresh. Fuzhou is a city surrounded by the gentle blue ocean. Not only is it famous for its rich marine culture, but it also contains profound, intangible cultural heritage. Our first stop today was the seafood market behind me. Come on, let's go! Wow, I can't wait to eat. 好吃，好吃. The key to be delicious is ilu. In order to find out the secret of the freshness of fish sauce, I decided to go to Shanla Mehua ancient town to find out.
我们这边的鱼米就是把鱼一半拿去吃，剩下的鱼拿去腌一下，做成这种调味品，当盐巴用。它味道鲜美，拿去做菜都要用这个。
Fish sauce is a unique traditional seasoning in Fuzhou with a long history. It is an indispensable part of Fujian cuisine and can add a unique flavor to dishes. When fish sauce is paired with fish balls, the word fresh is fully reflected, and this is the ordinary and comfortable life of every Fuzhou person. Like this tea, it is more like an art of living. From selecting tea, boiling water, to brewing, every step is full of ritual. Looking at the clear tea soup, it seems like you can see the long history of China following in it. There is also an intangible cultural heritage treasure in Chanla, which is Chanla yellow wine. Yellow wine has a warm color and a strong aroma. Every drop contains the wisdom of the craftsman and the precipitation of time. Today was a very happy day. Not only did we taste delicious seafood, but we also gained a deeper understanding of Fuzhou's marine culture and rich intangible cultural heritage. Every place here is full of stories and charm, and I will carry this beautiful memory and look forward to the next reunion with this magical land. Goodbye Lianjing, goodbye Shanla.